If you want to add a debit card to Webull for instant deposits, here's how to do it. First, open the Webull app and log in to your account. From the home screen, tap the middle Webull logo or go to the menu and select Transfers. Next, choose Deposit. You'll see two options: link a bank account or add a debit card. Tap on Debit Card for instant deposits. Now, enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Once you confirm, your debit card will be saved to your account. With a debit card, deposits are usually instant, meaning funds show up right away. For trading, instead of waiting several business days like AHL transfers, just keep in mind that Webull may set daily or monthly limits on instant deposits depending on your account status. If your card fails to link, double-check the billing address and make sure the card is from a US-based bank. That's it, Topin. Webull, go to Transfers, add your debit card, and enjoy instant deposits. Subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments.